Only Chapin can call her. If she like Chapin, usually roll call. Yeah.
Swimming pool besides that, and swimming coach. Nobody is there teaching us before, so it was pretty fun. It's exciting.
What's his name? I forgot. Also, by the way, Dad's breakfast usually tastes kind of gross. Usually he just gives you sourdough over and over. Oh, sourdough doesn't go with butter. I said sourdough, not bagels. Oh, you know that like sweet brown bread? Oh, it's brown. Peanut butter's like gold. Mom, you know that it's like sour and sweet? No, sour and sweet. Yeah. I think. No, Mom, you know that one that's actually kind of black. And he also puts oil. I honestly don't like the oil. Oil makes it taste good. Yeah, that actually makes the outside crunchy. Last time we were at the office, it could be. Yeah, if it's not too far for Dad, it's not too far for you. Your offices are pretty close. Isn't yours there and then Daddy's gonna be there? Yeah, if you're like, if you're walking from this direction, then it would you live there. Basically, when you're walking down, yours is just there, and it's just kind of there, just down there. But that's like that's a 5 foot difference. You can't tell. What was the other thing you said? First of all, that's what that cost. The truck would be great. It really doesn't look like anything scary that. The neck is giant green one. No, I haven't seen it, I just know it's but they usually use that. Plus, they usually don't carry missiles in the middle.
So you should be able to do so.
Plus, if those were missiles, they'd be airstream. At the top, there wouldn't be like a nipple. It would be triangle.
I stayed up